Hi, welcome to Dave's Corner of the World. Have a great day.
Making pancakes on a rocket stove. Gotta get the rocket stove burning. In here I've got just little pieces of wood that I've soaked in tiki oil, fat wood. Set that down there on top. And I'll put some more little pointy pieces if we have them on top of that so we get a fire going easier. Try to get the striker to work. There we go. Okay, I've already got my pancake mix going, made. I got this recipe from a lady, and I can't remember her name right now, but I will look it up and put it in the description below. It's a really cool recipe. Makes a lot of dry pancakes mix. Makes about a gallon of it, I think. And the nice thing is, you just put water with it. There's no eggs, no milk. You know, it's all contained. You just make your pancake mix and then put it in jars. I use quart jars, regular quart canning jars, because I've got several. Put a little bit of water with it, mix it about 50-50, 50 water and 50 mix. You can make it any consistency you want to, but that's what I want right there. So anyway, here, as soon as that pan warms up, we're going to have some pancakes. I built this rocket stove several years ago, and this angle here, it was sitting here like at a 45-degree angle like that. And here a week or so ago, I got a welder from Harbor Freight. I'll leave that video in the description below as well. Anyway, I took and cut that off and reconfigured it. The verdict's still out on this configuration. I don't know if I like it better like this or with the 45. But we'll see. I've got a barbecue that I bought at Dollar General or something last year. I never bothered to put the legs on it. You see I cut a 4-inch square here that just fit over the rocket stove, and put a thermometer on it, and I can bake in here. I can bake corn, bake potatoes. You don't really want to do any barbecuing because that's where all the smoke comes up, and you can see it is kind of dirty. So you don't want to do any barbecuing because too much smoke gets in your food that way. I just don't like it. So, all right, well, I don't know if we're ready or not, but we'll give it We'll give it a little test. Oh yeah, we're ready. You know what I forgot to get? I forgot to get my spatula. I'll be right back. All right. I live about 15 miles from Holloman Air Force Base, and that's the jets you hear going over. Pan was a little bit sticky this morning. Stuck just a little bit. Don't know why, I got plenty of oil in there. But it stuck. With a rocket stove, you kind of have to keep feeding your fire, and that's all right. Let my fire get down a little bit too low at that point. The only bad thing about a rocket stove is you really got to keep on top of the fire. Well, this one will taste good. It certainly doesn't look very good, but it'll taste good. Put some syrup on here. Oh yeah, really good. I'll make one more. Well, it didn't look good, but it sure does taste good. Yeah, I don't know why my pan's sticking this morning, but it is. I ain't got too hot of a fire right now. That one looks a lot better. It still doesn't look perfect because I'm not a good cook. But you know what? I cooked these for absolutely zero money. Because these wood scraps, well, now these I needed a project and I had some 1x8s left over. But these are just pallet wood. You can see I split that one and I split out that great big knot on the end of it. But it cost me zero and 5 or 6 minutes, I don't know what it was, to make a pancake. That's a pancake. That's a good looking pancake. I'm going to make a couple more pancakes for myself, but that's what it takes to make pancakes on a rocket stove. Very, very simple. See you next time.